This is the fan that has the, what is it called?
It's called a max fan.
Max fan. You can see. Take it. Got this hook right here. This is it. And it has a little hook. Go lower, go lower. There it is. This is the trash. Right, Mommy?
Yep. What do we have over here?
Cabinets. I'll show you what's in them. And I can't open it. Maybe can I? No. It's hard to open. I might be able to show you guys in here. My clothes. Socks. Shirts. And the pajamas. Shut that back down. The lights.
Let's see how they work.
So I'll show you how they work. Check that down. So click this. Do that. And then we turn it on and then the power switches.
What are those power switches for?
The power. Mommy, you're sitting right on the bathroom.
Oh my goodness.
The bathroom, the toilet. Our backpacks that have toys over there in my car seat.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, take a little photo of little Chai. Little Chai. Our Maximus fan. Is this a Maximus fan? Whatever. This needs one light. This is to keep that off for now. So we don't have to use all our power up. And that can move around. The garage is in here. The garage. Here comes show them the garage.
What do we have in there?
I'll show you one of our meal things. Both. This is one of our meal things.
Some emergency food.
Yep. And the next meal thing probably is the same thing. Wait, these look different. Yep. They're different. Our emergency foods. And they're towels because we're going to go swimming at Crater Lake. Anyways, now for the up. Come on now. Up. Come on, Daddy. Our warm stuff. Our kitchen tent.
Who sleeps up here?
Me and Daddy. I let Color sleep up here 2 times. Yeah. Today's not an exciting day because the next day Daddy has to go to work. Well, today is an exciting day because it's our last day. It'd be more exciting if you got to stay for 100 days here, right, Daddy?
Yep.
But then we would probably die. We have 2 solar panels. I bet you can see them. See? Solar panels are up so you guys can see them. How do you open that? This are these little things. I'm showing these little stuff. What's this mean? Off? This means off too. These both are off. A not ripe berry. What kind of berry is this?